Conversation at Superma. Good morning. I only need a few items today.
I came to buy ingredients for dinner.
The entrance is quieter than usual.
Weekdays are usually less crowded.
The baskets are right by the door.
I'll take one instead of a cart.
The fruit section is the first stop for me.
I always start there as well.
These peaches look ripe.
They smell sweet too.
The grapes are on special offer.
That's perfect for snacks.
I need some bananas for breakfast.
The yellow ones are ready to eat.
The apples are arranged by color.
It makes them easy to compare.
The bakery smells wonderful.
Fresh bread just came out of the oven.
Those sandwiches look tempting.
They would make a quick lunch.
I need eggs for tomorrow morning.
The large cartons are on the top shelf.
There are many kinds of cheese here.
I usually choose a mild one.
The milk section feels cold.
It helps keep everything fresh.
I almost forgot to buy butter.
Good thing we walked past this aisle.
The cereal boxes are very colorful.
They are designed to catch attention.
I need some pasta for dinner.
The spaghetti is on sale today.
There are more sauces than I expected.
Every recipe seems to need a different one.
The rice bags come in many sizes.
The smaller bag is enough for me.
I should get some cooking oil.
The bottles are on the next shelf.
The frozen food section is over there.
Let's have a quick look.
The vegetables seem very fresh today.
The lettuce still has water drops on it.
These carrots are a good size.
They will be great for soup.
I need onions for cooking tonight.
The red onions are cheaper today.
The mushrooms look fresh.
I'll add some to the basket.
The fish counter is busy.
Many people are choosing seafood.
The chicken section is just ahead.
I need some for tomorrow.
I think this is enough meat for the week.
That should save another trip.
The drink aisle is longer than I remembered.
There are drinks from many countries.
I need bottled water as well.
The smaller packs are easier to carry.
The juice section has new flavors.
The mango one sounds interesting.
I should buy some tea.
The green tea is on the middle shelf.
Coffee prices seem higher this month.
I've noticed that too.
I almost walked past the snacks.
They are difficult to ignore.
The crackers are on discount.
I'll take one box.
I need something for movie night.
Popcorn would be a good choice.
The cleaning products are nearby.
I need dish soap.
Laundry detergent is getting expensive.
Buying larger bottles helps a little.
I think we covered everything.
Let's check the list one more time.
The checkout line is moving quickly.
We won't wait long.
I prefer self-checkout machines.
They save a lot of time.
At bank. Good morning. I'd like to open a bank account.
Certainly, please take a seat.
What documents do I need to prepare?
A passport or ID card is required.
I also brought proof of address.
That will be helpful for registration.
I'd prefer a savings account.
Many customers choose that option.
Does this account have a monthly fee?
No. This one is free of charge.
Can I receive a debit card today?
The card will arrive within a week.
I'd like to use online banking too.
We can activate it right now.
How do I create a secure password?
Use letters, numbers, and symbols together.
Can I transfer money internationally?
Yes. International transfers are available.
What is the transfer fee?
The cost depends on the destination country.
I'd like to deposit some cash.
The counter on the left can help.
Do I need to fill out this form?
Yes. Please complete all sections.
Is there a minimum balance requirement?
This account does not require one.
Can I check my balance using the app?
Yes. The app updates instantly.
I'd like to change my phone number.
Please confirm your identity first.
How long does the update take?
Usually only a few minutes.
Can I print my account statement?
Of course, I can print it now.
I'd like to ask about a loan.
Our advisor is available today.
What are the current interest rates?
They change depending on the loan type.
Can I make payments automatically?
Yes, automatic payments are easy to set up.
I need to exchange some currency.
The exchange desk is near the entrance.
Do you have smaller bills available?
Yes, we can provide different denominations.
I lost my bank card yesterday.
We can block it immediately.
Can I request a replacement card?
A new one can be issued today.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
The service was very quick.
We're happy to hear that.
I'll return next month.
We look forward to seeing you again.
The bank is quieter this afternoon.
Mornings are usually much busier.
Everything seems very organized here.
We try to keep the process simple.
I finished everything faster than expected.
That's always nice to hear.
Have a good afternoon.
Thank you. Take care.
Conversation at market. Good morning. The market is already busy today.
People like to shop early for fresh food.
The fruit stalls look colorful.
Everything was ranged beautifully this morning.
These mangoes smell sweet.
They arrived from a nearby farm.
I need some vegetables for dinner.
The fresh greens are on the next table.
Those tomatoes look very fresh.
They were picked yesterday afternoon.
I think I'll buy some carrots too.
They are perfect for soup.
The prices seem reasonable today.
Some items are cheaper than last week.
Do you need any herbs?
Yes, I need some for cooking.
The fish market section is crowded.
Fresh seafood always attracts customers.
Those shrimp look very fresh.
They were brought in early this morning.
I only need a small amount.
That should be enough for 2 meals.
The bread stand smells wonderful.
Fresh bread just came out of the oven.
I might buy some for breakfast.
It goes well with coffee.
There are many local products here.
That's why I enjoy this market.
The flower stall is beautiful.
The colors make the place feel lively.
I should buy some flowers for home.
They will brighten the room.
The market feels friendly and welcoming.
Many sellers know their customers well.
I enjoy walking around before buying anything.
It helps compare prices and quality.
The spice stall smells amazing.
There are flavors from many regions.
I almost forgot to buy onions.
Good thing we came this way.
The baskets are getting heavy.
We have bought quite a lot already.
I think we found everything we need.
Let's head toward the exit.
The market visit was enjoyable today.
It's always nice shopping here.
Have a great afternoon.
You too. See you next time.